her?
No, she burning.
That's the one I got.
Fuck right.
Okay, so, but he the one who had it. Then
so which one of y'all burning?
Him?
Her. Her. This shit is not rated R. We don't have any copyrights to this shit. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Hey,
why the fuck you didn't say it?
No, listen.
It don't matter. That's different, nigga. He got me fucking burning. Cause I went to the doctor. You remember that day you asked me, you like, "Dog, where the fuck you going?"
Yeah.
That I was going to the fucking doctor because this bitch. Before I fucked him, I got tested. This motherfucker gave me something. Look at you saying.
Anti-social can't deal with the people. If we go broke, then we kicking like FIFA. Same blood, how you changing your people? Black or white, 0-0, we equal. What we told him, man, that shit illegal. Send him to the sky like he played with the Eagles. You can't keep what you know you gonna lose. Bag went off and you put it on snooze. Kenneth this, Kenneth that, man, these niggas gon' doubt. Man, welcome back to Anti-Kenneth, bro. It ain't no intro to this video, bro. Everything is in the link. Everything is in the description down below, bro. This is a burning prank on my homeboy Ricky. If you don't know who Ricky is, the dude in the red jacket that's gonna be to your left, probably your right. Depends on what device you watching it from. But yeah, man, this is raw, uncut, bro. Y'all gotta enjoy the whole thing, cause some beans actually got spilled in the video, bro. But don't forget to make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my post along, so you can get like whenever I update a video. Let's get straight into it, babe.
We'll jump on you.
He can't be Quay, can't be RJ Quay, can't be so like. Oh, what the fuck you doing?
On your life.
I'm finna hit this.
On your life.
I'm finna hit that copy
on my life. On your life.
On my life.
Put it on Jimmy.
I'm on Jimmy. I'm finna hit.
Damn, what get out? Get out, nigga.
I'm finna hit this. We have a call you anyway.
I don't care nothing about this tat. We can get that, nigga.
I ain't getting that now.
You gotta tell you need to see. That's why I said you pop, right?
I was waiting on you to pop your shit so I could tell you, but you still ain't popped your shit, twin.
Period. So don't sit here and say.
Hold on. How you cut this shit?
You can't cut it off. It ain't hit the 5-minute mark. Man, y'all do something. This shit so hell, goddamn it.
Okay.
Y'all.
Okay. Come on.
My shit, twin.
Come on.
All right, man. So listen.
Oh, this shit ain't gonna be in the video.
Where? Talking about this right here?
Yeah.
I hope not.
I hope not either. You know.
Me neither. So y'all ready?
Yes, dude. You said
no,
it 3 times.
I know, and y'all still ain't fucking ready. I said that shit 4 times.
We ready. What we supposed to do?
4 times. If J. Coin on his phone.
No, he not on his phone.
I call me that shit, man. Bitch, I'm getting one Friday, bitch. Don't you fucking smack me if I put that fucking that fucking helmet off your motherfucking head. Yeah. You think your ass just came for practice hit sticking shit? I'm gonna knock the fuck out your ass.
Draco went fast enough.
First off, you ain't gonna hit him like that.
Shit, I'm having one of them dreads sitting in my lap.
Yeah. Try, nigga.
No, you ain't.
Try, nigga.
Okay, I'm gonna ask
quiet.
this very professionally.
What the fuck you doing?
Shut the fuck up. We're trying to make money.
I'm ready, man. I'm ready. Y'all ready? I already said let go 5 times like little baby.
We went on your ass.
Alright, let go. Y'all ready?
Nigga, you ain't.
Cause I can't do it because every time I'm about to start, y'all either talk or somebody on their phone.
Nobody been on their phone or been talking.
Skrilla. You better? You better now? Skrilla? You better? You like that?
Finna hit your ass again.
Like it, bud.
Alright, let's get it, man. Welcome back to Anti-Kenneth, bro. As y'all see, bro, we got everybody introduce y'allself.
I'm Naya.
Goddamn. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else introduce themselves.
Tutu. I'm Tutu. This is Kwani.
He was on his phone.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm Skrilla, your bitch taker.
Shut up. You don't never know what to say.
But they ain't like.
Did y'all see the? Hey. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Nigga, you ain't introduce yourself.
Do I have to?
Alright. Alright, y'all. So basically what we got today, bro, we about to be answering some questions, dog. So
that's where you got that fucking shit from. Your ass texting that bitch.
Shut the fuck up. Please.
You don't tell me to shut up.
Please.
I'm gonna never start this video.
Okay.
Fact. Tell her. Let her know.
Okay, well, you need to stop that shit because, you know, obviously.
You think this was a good idea?
For me?
You think this was a good idea, sir?
Bruh,
Did you think it was a good idea?
I ain't think all this shit was gonna happen.
No, it's Kwani's fault what's happening.
No, it's your fault. It's your fault, man. Your fault. You don't have membership.
Hold on. You shut up because you don't even know what's going on for real. So
what's his name?
If you,
I'm Tutu.
if you
Miss Tutu, he ain't said shit the whole
I don't
time.
care. Hop off my sister.
It's 3-on-2. Y'all take y'all ass in the house.
I don't care.
no, because if I tell you what he did to me, then it wouldn't be 3-on-2.
You know.
It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 on one.
What the fuck he did?
That's her
Don't
fault.
tell
I ain't gonna tell you.
Don't tell him.
That's her
But he
fault.
keep on doing stupid shit, then y'all gonna know. Keep going.
You can't blame that on him because you be
don't
telling me shit too.
But you don't know what he did.
But you don't be telling me what he
Bro,
did.
what
But
you
you be
did?
telling me what
you
you
really want to know what he fucking did?
No,
He sit here
I,
talking like he
I
don't know
really
what he
want to
did.
finish the video first. You know?
Okay, let's go. Let's
Yeah,
get it
you know what I'm
rolling.
saying?
No, bro, cause y'all gonna keep interrupting. Just tell him what he did.
Because he got me pissed off, bro.
What he did, so y'all can just go
Did
and
you
get
nut in her?
No, she burning.
That's the one I got. Wait, listen. Hold on. Bestie, listen. Wait, 23. Listen. No. So you think that
I know how that shit is, my nigga. How you gonna feel like I'm locked up with you? You my pro nigga, fuck the sister.
Rookie, hold on.
You gonna leave it and save it?
Listen, bestie, for real.
You got one tear
No,
left.
I swear to God.
A lot of shit on my mind.
Rookie.
I don't wanna know
No,
why.
listen, Rookie. So he
I
gonna
pray
give it to me.
more time,
No,
I
listen,
pray
Rookie,
myself.
for real. So he gonna give me something, but that's my fault.
Hell no.
So he gave me.
Disappointed. I don't wanna hear it.
Disappointed.
So you ain't disappointed in him, but you disappointed in
Wait.
me. He gave it to me. I didn't give it to him. He gave it to
It
me.
takes two people to fuck, right?
Okay,
So-
but he the one who had it in the
So which one of y'all burning?
It takes
Him?
her. Both of them.
This
Listen,
motherfucker
it
gave
takes
it.
two
This
people to
bitch
fuck.
gave it to me.
So
This
if
bitch
one
gave it
of
to
them
me.
fuck
Okay,
the
but obviously
other,
one of them had it first.
Yeah,
He had it
I had it
first.
first.
So I had it first. Who the fuck I fucked?
when both of y'all being thoughts, then I mean,
He
what you
had it
expect?
first. No.
Unprotected
He had-
sex is not good. Wait, Plan Bs are not good either.
Listen,
They start working after a
Javon
while.
gave it to me.
Just saying.
How you know?
You been
Hey,
taking.
I do research.
You been
I'm
taking.
not fucking playing. You
been-
think I want to spend the rest of my money and my earnings from the next 25 years on a little ass kid? I ain't even went over to Dubai yet. I want to go to Dubai.
Well,
Dubai.
That's a.
No.
I thought it was Dubois.
No. So it's
Where
my
the fuck
fault.
she at?
Hey,
Dubai.
So,
No.
Dubai?
so Shkreli, you been taking your pills?
Dang.
You ain't shit.
You ain't
So he been taking fucking pills and he told me he taking no fucking
Nigga,
pills.
no,
for nothing.
nigga, that's STD pills.
Exactly.
Can we cut this? I think it's been 5 minutes. Can we cut the camera off? Can we cut the camera off?
Bruh, hold up, bro.
This shit is not rated R. We don't have any copyrights to this shit. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Hey, don't listen to.
Bro, you need to cut that off while we
Oh,
talking
no,
about
no,
this.
no,
Nah,
no.
you need to.
No,
you keeping this.
No,
You
no.
need to cut this out.
No, listen. All
Bessie, I told you it's a
you not
lot
tell your
going
sister?
on, bro. I told you
If
it's a
you
lot
knew, how could
going
you not tell your
on,
sister?
bro. I told you.
Wait, first of all,
Hey, excuse me.
he was been a real nigga though. You feel me?
What?
Because that's for he could spread about business. He'll been a real nigga.
Who, me?
Yeah, you feel me? You been a real nigga.
Okay, you
That's
were
for
being a
about
real
business.
nigga and you let this
I'm trying to
motherfucker
see
give me
other
shit.
side.
You knew
Nigga,
you
I
had
did
that
not-
shit.
I did not know you
So
was
just
burning.
asked
I know your
him-
nails
You
ain't
just
done,
asked
gang.
him.
I did not know you was burning.
My name.
So you just asked him, has he been taking
Got
his
it.
pills? That means you knew he had it.
Why not?
I just asked. I was just playing
I
with him.
feel it. Been the woman. You know.
So you burning?
Yeah, the bitch burning. The
Why the fuck
motherfucker
is
gave
we
it to
still
me.
talking about this? I
The
need me a
motherfucker
poke.
gave it to me.
Well,
So
this
how
is
the hell
a
else?
need
medical
me a
issue
poke.
right now, so
So how the fuck I get it? I ain't
will
get
you
out of
stop eating the fruity pebbles?
I mean, the fuck out of these
No.
girls.
Tell
For
that
real.
book I need me a cold beverage. Facts. Cause there's a lot going on. Very fast.
Nah, for real though. Y'all for real.
She got me burning, man.
Nigga, you a prank on me?
Nigga, you just say you burning.
Now I'm
burning.
thinking about it. Is this a prank?
This,
Cause you ain't do no intro.
he
And
did.
this
I
shit-
can't do no intro.
Nigga.
And y'all kept telling
No.
me to shut up, but he kept
No.
saying shit to me.
Yeah, and this shit been cut on for the longest. Look at Killer face.
I told you to cut it off. I told you to
No,
cut it
'cause
off while I'm talking.
They not for real.
I hope not. Hell.
Y'all for real.
Shit, you would know. I don't know why you asking them.
First of all, mind your business.
That's your own girl, ain't it?
That's my sister. Get it right.
Exactly.
They can't.
So-
they not for real.
Okay, but Kenneth is his.
Well, I don't
Kenneth
know.
is her brother.
What's
He
going on?
obviously knew he was taking STD pills. So
Why did
Why the fuck you didn't say it?
No, listen.
It don't matter. That's different, nigga.
you just asked him when you taking his pills.
I did not know Shkreli was
I'm gonna go
burning.
ahead and
Okay, then how you know he was taking pills?
Exactly.
Cause when you burn,
Exactly.
when you burn, you gotta take pills.
How you know?
Cause y'all just said like y'all somebody burnt so like, damn, you taking your pills?
He fucking burned the bitch and gave it to fucking
How you know they ain't got ointment?
I ain't gave it to me.
So I gave it to you, but I only fucked somebody else under you.
I don't know. I don't know what it was, but after it happened, I started burning. So it ain't my fault.
Bitch.
Rookie.
You gave that shit to me.
If you were clean, then you did something, you started burning. Who fault is that?
How you know you clean?
Cause I know I'm clean. You understand me?
Did you go to the doctor?
So you trying to say
Very
it's
much.
me?
Okay.
So how the fuck you get pills before me? But when I went to get checked, before you,
Well, y'all
I
for
was
real,
clean.
bro.
Shut up, Kenneth.
Yeah,
Just be quiet. No, he got me fucking burning. Cause I went to the doctor. You remember that day you asked me, you like, "Dog, where the fuck you going?"
Yeah.
That I was going to the fucking doctor because this bitch. Before I fucked him, I got tested. This motherfucker gave me something. Look at you saying.
She gave me something 3.
Rook.
Bestie.
Rook.
Bestie. Bestie. Bestie.
Rook.
This motherfucker is not asleep, bruh.
Is he alive?
Yeah, his ass alive. He just in shock.
Yeah, Rookie.
23.
The deer.
But I really want you to fuck him up because he gave me that shit. I really want you to be his ass.
Nigga, that should be Rook's responsibility to handle.
You shut up.
That should be goddamn.
And I should get out here and whoop your fucking ass because your ass gonna sit here and know he taking pills and ain't gonna say nothing.
Nigga, I did not know he was taking pills.
I got a bat in the car. You want it?
Fucking dumb ass.
How the hell I know he was taking pills?
You just said it.
Cause y'all talking about burning. So you got.
Hey, but why would you automatically think about pills?
Cause you got when you burn, you gotta take pills.
How do you know that?
The same way you asked me how I do
Shut
that.
up!
Plan B don't work at the same time.
Shut up!
So you just asked what I did,
Shut
and
up.
now when I talk, you don't want me to
Shut
talk.
up.
Excuse me, Miss
Shut up.
Nadia. What's
Shut
going
up.
on with your friend in Tutu here?
Shut up.
I feel like she don't like me for some reason.
How can I not like you and I don't know you?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Bro, let's do this fucking video. Come
Man,
on.
I think they went, bro. Y'all know the video like this, bro. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, bro. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Keep up for them soldiers. We out.
Antisocial can't deal with the people. If we go broke, then we kicking like FIFA. Same blood, how you change on your people? Black or white, 0-0, we equal. What we told him, man, that shit be illegal. Send him to the sky like he played with the Eagles. You can't keep winning cause you know you gon' lose. Kenneth this, Kenneth that, man, these niggas gon' doubt.